What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some fried pickles, baby. Ooh, that's right. So, let's do the damn thing. Let's deal with it, if we will, shall we? Yeah. That's right, buddy. Fried pickles. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, fried pickles? What have you been smoking on? Man, if you ain't heard of fried pickles, where you been? Fried pickles are like a southern staple, man. And, you know, football season's coming back. The Chiefs are out there kicking some ass. So, perfect for tailgate Sunday or Thursday or whatever day. So, the fried pickles, man, you're saying to yourself, like, oh, looks like you're in a pickle right now. You know, I'm in the pickle parade right here. Look at this. And I'm going to show you how to get in there too and do your little groove. So, what you got to do is get you some pickles. Today, I just got these old hamburger dill, and I'm not talking about Tommy's brother. I'm talking about the dill pickle chips. You can get those big ass pickles and cut them up. You can, you can get any kind of pickle you want. Me, this was what was in the house. So, then I want you to get some. You need some breading on there, some bread, and I'm not talking about what's in Jay-Z's pocket. You need that good sweet stuff, and for that sweet stuff, we're going to take a little bit of that flour, just some regular old flour. Then I want you to get a package of that ranch seasoning. I'm not talking to you about where Mr. Ed lives either. Just that ranch seasoning. Put that ranch seasoning down in there and kind of mix it around. Now, go ahead and take your pickles, and you want to get rid of most of that juice because you don't want it slopping everywhere and making a damn mess. Then you get rid of that juice and go ahead and start dropping your pickles in your ranch and flour mixture and start mixing, sir. So, once you get those good and covered and nicely evenly coated, go ahead and take them out and get you some hot oil. And I'm not talking about the kind that was in Bobby Labonte's car. I'm talking about some vegetable oil. Now, get that shit real damn hot and go ahead and start dropping your pickles in. And you know, while we're dropping them in, you're saying to yourself, like, oh, why didn't you use any buttermilk or some egg? You know me, baby. Ain't got time for that shit. So, we went ahead and dropped these pickles in that hot oil. And, you know, they're going to brown up pretty quick. It's not going to take them long, baby. So, go ahead and just, you know, once you get some dropped in there, go ahead and flip them over. And once they get that good golden brown color, like a Buick Skylark, you know, driving around, you want to go ahead and pull them out. And that's all there is to it, baby. It's a simple, easy recipe, and it'll give you something good. So, let's take a good sight, and we're about to take a good bite of these fried pickles tonight, boy. Alright, baby, the time has come. The fried pickles are done, and I'm having that first bite for my damn self. Now, you know, with the fried pickles, you like to have a little dipping sauce. And today, you know, you could go ranch, you could do pretty much whatever you want, but you know me, baby, I went for that sweet baby Ray's, that good stuff. My favorite. That's a good pickle, my friend. That ranch seasoning with that sour, that pickle, just kind of gives it something, man. And the sweet baby Ray's brings it home every time. So, delicious little snack. And I want to thank all of you delicious little snacks for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy them fried pickles, and I'll see you next time, buddy.